Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through how to post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, step by step. The platform recently got an update, and a few things look a little different, so let's walk through it together. First, open the X app or go straight to the website on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home feed, where you can see posts from people you follow and trending content. Now, to create your own post, look for the compose box. It's usually right at the top of your feed with your profile picture beside it. You'll see the prompt asking what's happening. That's where you'll type your post. If you don't see the compose box right away, don't worry. There's another option. On the left-hand menu or at the top right corner, depending on your screen size, you'll find the post button. Simply click it, and a larger compose window will open. This is where you can add your thoughts, share a link, or drop a photo, video, or GIF. Start typing whatever you'd like to share. Whether it's an update, a funny thought, or breaking news, you can make your message your own. The character limit still applies, so keep it short and impactful. If you want, you can add hashtags or tag other users by typing the @ symbol followed by their username. You can also use emojis to make it more expressive. Once you're happy with your post, click the blue post button. And that's it. Your content is live on X for your followers and the world to see. If you notice a mistake after posting, you can edit your post right away if you're subscribed to Premium, or you can delete and repost. So to recap, open the X app or website, use the compose box or hit the post button, type your message, and click post to share it instantly. Thanks for watching.